You know, that first impression? It's everything. But let's be real, in our super cluttered digital world, it's getting harder and harder to make a clean one. We're all juggling social profiles, websites, portfolios, and we end up sending people on this wild goose chase just to figure out who we are and what we do. Today, we're going to talk about a way to cut through all that noise and create one single, powerful professional front.
So just take a second and think about your own work life. Are you losing potential clients in those messy, endless chat threads? Do you find yourself sending people like 3, 4, 5 different links for your website, your socials, and your contact info? If you're nodding along right now, trust me, you are not alone.
And this is the heart of the problem, isn't it? We're still dealing with paper business cards that are basically outdated the second they're printed. Sales leads get totally buried in chat histories. And our brand identity feels, well, it feels fractured and disconnected across a dozen different platforms. It's a system that's pretty much working against us. But what if you could swap all that chaos for some serious clarity? Just imagine having one single elegant hub for your entire professional life. Let's dive in and see what that actually looks like.
Okay, so this is WhatAMarkt. It's a platform built to solve this exact problem, and it does it by combining two really powerful tools. First, a professional smart vCard. Think of it like a business card on steroids. And second, a fully integrated WhatsApp store. Let's break down how these two things work together to give you a serious edge.
All right, first up, the Smart vCard. This is all about making that first impression absolutely unforgettable and bringing your entire professional world into one place.
I mean, look at this. The difference is night and day. A paper card is static. The ink is dry, and that's it. A Smart vCard is dynamic, meaning you can update your phone number or add a new project in seconds. Paper cards get lost in a wallet or thrown away. A digital card lives right on your contact's phone. And sharing it is so easy, just a quick QR scan or a simple link. It is a massive, massive upgrade.
So what can you pack into this vCard? Basically, your entire professional ecosystem. We're talking brand visuals like your logo and photos. All your essential contact info, of course. Direct links to your website, your portfolio, your latest project, whatever you want. And a single clean spot for all your social media profiles. It's everything anyone could need to connect with you, all right there.
But hold on, because this is way more than just a slick digital business card. The platform takes a huge leap forward by plugging in a super powerful sales tool, your very own integrated WhatsApp store.
And for your customers, the whole experience is just effortless. Seriously, they just follow your link, they browse a beautiful, clean catalog of what you offer, they pick what they want, and bam, the order lands directly in your WhatsApp. All that back and forth, all that friction, it's just gone.
And here's the magic of it. You get to manage that entire sales conversation from the very first question all the way to the final confirmation inside an app that your customers already use and trust every single day. It makes the whole thing feel personal, direct, and just incredibly efficient.
Now, I know what you might be thinking. This sounds cool, but maybe a little complicated. Well, the whole platform was actually designed from the ground up for simplicity and global reach. It's genuinely made for everyone, everywhere. And this might be the best part. You don't need to know a single line of code. You don't have to be a graphic designer. The platform literally guides you through it, so you can build this amazing professional hub without any tech skills. You just log in, you create, and you share. It is that simple.
And when we say global, we mean it. The platform supports over 30 languages. Think about that. You can break down those communication barriers and connect with a truly international audience. It's built for the world we live in today.
And no matter where someone finds you, your brand is going to look fantastic. It's totally optimized for every device: desktops, tablets, iPhones, Androids, you name it. That kind of consistency is absolutely crucial for building trust with your audience.
Okay, so let's pull all of this together. We've seen how it combines your professional identity with a killer sales tool. What this really does is give you a new kind of digital superpower.
So if you walk away with anything today, let it be these 4 things. 1. You can centralize your entire digital life into a single link. 2. You can streamline your sales process using WhatsApp. 3. You can connect with anyone, anywhere in the world. And 4. You can get that polished, professional look without having to be a tech wizard.
So, I'll just leave you with this to think about. In a world that is so full of digital noise and clutter, how could one single, powerful link completely change the way you connect, the way you sell, and ultimately, the way you do business?